And if there's one thing that is really required right now is for you to stay at home, if not absolutely essential, and then get yourself vaccinated. Now, to encourage a vaccination in the country, the Prime Minister has launched something called a Tika Utsav, or a mass vaccination festival, to be carried out from today till the 14th, where he is encouraging big jumbo centers really, and targets have been said that states actually meet it. But while this has been done with all the best intention of the Prime Minister, what a lot of states are reporting now is actually vaccine shortage, asking him how we to go around with the Tika Utsav when we are actually running out of stock of the COVID vaccine. My colleague Sukirti Dwivedi checked out one such centre in the capital.
At a time when India's cases continue to surge, from today the Prime Minister has started the Tika Utsav, a sort of vaccination festival of sorts where he wants maximum vaccination coverage. He has appealed to the people of this nation, saying that each one vaccinate one. People should not only get themselves vaccinated, but if they have any such people around who are less educated or people who are not as aware of the vaccine, they should help those people in getting vaccinated. Even here at the Fortis Hospital in Vasant Kunj in South Delhi, you can see people turning up for vaccination, giving out all their details. The vaccine being given here is Covaxin. All the procedures being followed, as you can see, every single time somebody is given a jab, a new set of gloves is used, a new syringe. All of the regular procedures are followed in this entire process. The man receiving the vaccine jab over here is Mr. S.P. Nigam. He's 79 years old. He has come here for the second dose of the vaccine, and he's accompanied over here by his wife, Ms. Beena Nigam, who's 79 years old, who's 76 years old. So the couple is here to get their second dose. And as you can see, both of these people, 79 and 76, both of these people very old, but still have come here for the second dose of the vaccine. And you will see now this man receiving the jab. Today, of course, the Chief Minister of Delhi, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, has said that even younger people should be able to receive the jab, and the central government should allow that. He has in fact said that he's ready for door-to-door vaccination as well if the central government allows for it. He will be able to vaccinate the whole of Delhi within the next 3 months if the central government allows that. And even earlier when we were speaking to people, a lot of them said that if such an allowance was given, they would prefer that, because a lot of people do not want to turn up to a hospital because the possibility of catching an infection is higher if one comes to a hospital where there may be more sick people or people with infections in this premises. But here, people who are turning up for vaccination, getting their second doses, many getting their first doses as well, and will be now under observation for the next 30 minutes. We will now go to the observation area where many such people who've received their jabs will end up waiting for about 30 minutes, just in case they end up having side effects, then they can be given the kind of medical treatment they would need. Mr. Nigam was vaccinated right before us just now. We will get you his reactions as well. सर, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, आप सेकेंड डोज लगवाने आए थे, आज से टीका उत्सव भी शुरू हो रहा है प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी का, इस इनिशिएटिव को आप किस तरह से देखते हैं, लोगों तक क्या संदेश पहुंचाना चाहेंगे? बहुत से लोग हैं, आपसे यंगर हैं, बट फिर भी डरते हैं वैक्सीन लगवाने के लिए, उन तक क्या संदेश देना चाहेंगे आप?
वैक्सीन से डरने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. एवरीवन शुड टेक वैक्सीन. इट इज़ फॉर आवर गुड ओनली. सो पीएम मोदी इज द 4 days, आई थिंक वैक्सीन movement is there. Everyone should take the doses, which is good for their health. It's for ourselves only. So there is no harm, though there is no problem at all. So everyone should take it, irrespective of the age.
Thank you. Thank you so much for speaking to us. So, Mr. Nigam here received the vaccine, but also so many people, as you see, under observation at this point of time for a span of 30 minutes. But all of them have received the vaccine feeling absolutely safe, and everybody who's receiving a jab is sending out the same message to all those people out there that there is no need to be hesitant. The vaccine is absolutely safe. Please go forward and get the jab, because COVID is here to stay. It's better to get vaccinated than catch the disease. With camera person Gauri Prasad in New Delhi, this is Sukirti Dwivedi for NDTV.